We have created all the designs in our previous lectures using the Canva basic plan, Canva free. But now in this lecture, we'll talk about Canva Pro, what are the features available in the Canva Pro and how you can use the Canva Pro effectively. We'll talk about some amazing features and we'll also talk about how to use it effectively and as a freelancer, how it is helpful for you. So first of all, let's just talk about the most important advantage, and that is premium templates. When you'll just click on templates, here you can see you have millions of templates available here in Canva's library. Let's just select this. Let's just select print products, and from here you can select any template, or you can just select any other templates. Let's suppose this one. So here you can see the important and effective templates are premium. You would have to get the premium version to get these awesome templates, but with the free there are also amazing templates with the free version. But in the pro section you have something amazing, like you have access to all types of templates. You are not limited, you are not restricted, you can access any template if you are a pro member. Now let's just go to templates, back to templates, and let's just select our template for social media, and let's just create a Facebook ad. Okay, so in Facebook ads, here you can see here are a lot of the templates, but most of the templates that I like are premium templates. So you would have to get a premium version to use these templates. Let's suppose this one. So I'll just select this one. This requires the premium version, and I have the premium version, so I'll just click on customize this template and I can customize it. But the one with the basic template, the basic version cannot use this template. Okay, so now we are at this dashboard, where we will edit our template and we'll convert it into our design. So this is the template basically we are going to design. But when you want to add some new things to it, then again you would prioritize the pro version. Why? Because when we'll go to the elements, and let's suppose I'm searching for some graphics for job, and let's just go to graphics. And here you can see the most of interactive templates are with this this pro sign. So we would have to get that pro version to use all these templates. So first of all, this is the advantage of the pro version, that we can use also these kind of template, these kind of elements. We can use some awesome photos which are which are only available with pro version, and we can just customize them, we can do customization a lot easy. Now the second advantage of the pro version is, let's suppose I have removed that background. Now the background is removed, and let me just remove that as well. Now this is a picture. With the free version you cannot export it in a PNG in a transparent, as a transparent picture. When you will export it, it would be a white background. But with the pro version, what you can do is just click on download, and here you can see it's asking for transparent background, and you can also download it in a transparent version. If you want to just download a logo for your client, and the client would absolutely want it in a transparent format, so you cannot do it in basic version. So you would have to get the pro version to get the logo in a transparent version. Okay, so I'll just click on download, and when the file will be downloaded, you will see that it is in a absolutely transparent format. Here you can see. So that's the second advantage of this pro version. Now the third And most important feature and most important feature is background removal. Let's just search for a picture here. Let me just show you in elements. Let's just search for like man standing, and here you go. So this is a picture. I would also remove this one. What if I want to remove the background of this picture? With the basic version, you can never remove the background of a picture using Canva. So but Canva Pro allows you to remove the background of the picture. Here you can see a background remover. Just click on this background remover and it would automatically remove the background of the picture, and it would provide you the transparent picture. And if you are providing the background removal service on any marketplace or to your clients, it would be awesome to use Canva Pro, because it would allow you to remove the background of a picture without any hassle. The AI would remove the background of the picture. And these were some like basic advantages. Now let's just talk about some some advanced level advantages of using Canva Pro, and we'll just go to Canva as home page. And here the next advantage is the folders. Like let's suppose you have multiple projects, because you are going to design different kind of things for different kind of clients. So what you can do is you can just create new folders, and you can even share it with your team members. And the next important feature is also the team members. First of all, let's just talk about this one. So when you will just click on new, from here you can just create a folder. Let's suppose for X company, I want to create a folder for X company, and I want my teammate, let's suppose X teammate at xcompany.com. So and here, from here you can give them the access, and you can create the folder. Now this folder is shared with your client as well, and this folder is shared with you and your client. So the both of you can access this folder and all the designs in this folder. And you can also add more team members, and those would be added just for free. What you just have to do is you just have to go there, and from here you can also add new members, and they can access Canva Pro just for free. You can invite up to 4 team members with no extra cost, and they can also use the Canva Pro for free. And that was important thing. And the next important advantage of using Canva Pro is multiple brand kits. You can create brand kits for each brand. I don't know the limit, but you with the basic version, I think you can create 2 or 3 or maybe 1. But here you can create multiple brand kits for multiple brands. And if you don't know what the brand kit is, let's just ask Google for that. What is brand kit? So here you can see a brand kit is a short, easily digestible guide to your brand's visual identity. It's a quick reference to understanding of logos, colors, fonts, and messaging that represents your brand. Here you can see basically brand kit contains the fonts used by your the brand, the colors used by the brands, and the sizes used by the brands, and all the things used by the brands. And it just wrap things up into single kit, which is called brand kit for your brand identity. And basically it's a lot hard to create that brand kit, but you can create a fully fledged brand kit using Canva very easily. And next feature is a content planner, and I think that's a great feature of Canva Pro. What you can do is you can just go to new, and from here you can add new post, and you just have to select a new post, and you just have to schedule that post where you want to post it and when you want to post it. From here you would have to select a channel. Let's suppose I want to paste it on Facebook page. I have not connected Facebook page with Canva till now, but you can connect it and then you can post it on your schedule your content, and then the next feature is sharing content. And I think these were all the useful features that I have shared with you with Canva Pro, and you can use all these features to just get the crux out of it and become a successful graphic designer, become a successful freelance graphic designer. This was all about this lecture. Let's move on to the next.